just trying to think, maybe, as in Canada, do they use Fahrenheit or Celsius? Oh, down there, huh?